everyone, welcome back. Indilerai here. So today guys, I have an update for you, especially for those who just filed their I-751 or if you are about to file your I-751 petition to remove conditions on residence. So if you are new to this channel, welcome to Indilerai. In this channel, I've shared my immigration journey process, and I actually have a playlist here for my K-1 visa process, my adjustment of status, and my 10-year permanent green card. And pretty soon I will be applying for my US citizenship. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing and tap that notification bell so you won't miss any of my updates. And if you have questions, guys, just comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So I've read a comment here on one of my videos. This is from Maylene 2013. And this is in Tagalog, by the way. And she said, "Hola, confused po ako. Nag-send ako ng papers ko 2 weeks lang. Not even 2 weeks, I received message from them 4 days. Na-receive na daw nila. Then yesterday, nakuha ko na kaagad yung 24 months extension. Confused ako, but naging 18 months po sa inyo?" So, Maylene 2013, she just filed her I-751 form and she received her extension letter for 24 months, and she was confused because my extension letter was only for 18 months. So, the USCIS recently announced last September 3. So it says here, USCIS extends evidence of status for conditional permanent residence to 24 months with pending Form I-751 or Form I-829. Starting September 4, 2021, USCIS is extending the time that receipt notices can be used to show evidence of status from 18 months to 24 months for petitioners who properly file Form I-751, petition to remove conditions on residence, or Form I-829, petition by investor to remove conditions on permanent resident status. We are making the change from 18 months to 24 months to accommodate current processing times for Form I-751 and Form I-829, which have increased over the past year. Conditional permanent residents who properly file Form I-751 or Form I-829 will receive a receipt notice that can be presented with their Form I-551. So your Form I-551 is your permanent resident card, or known as your green card. So it's just like a technical term for your green card, as evidence of continued status for up to 24 months past the expiration date on their green card while their case remains pending with USCIS. Additionally, we will issue new receipt notices to eligible conditional permanent residents who properly filed their Form I-751 or Form I-829 before September 4 and whose cases are still pending. Those receipt notices will also serve as evidence of continued status for 24 months past the expiration date on their green card. That's the latest from USCIS regarding I-751. So yes, before, when I filed for my I-751 petition to remove conditions on residence, my extension letter was only good for 18 months. And now the USCIS changed that from 18 months to 24 months. That is because the processing times for I-751 or I-829 have largely increased over the past year because of the pandemic. So what's the purpose of this extension letter? So if ever your green card expires or conditional green card expires, your extension letter for 24 months along with your expired green card will serve as an evidence of continued status here in the US for up to 24 months, while your I-751 form or your I-829 form is still pending with the USCIS. So you can still work, go to school, or you can even travel outside the US by just presenting your extension letter for 24 months and your expired green card. So you won't have any problems entering the US after you travel outside the country. But if ever you plan to be out of the country for more than a year, it says here, as a reminder, conditional permanent residents who plan to be outside of the United States for a year or more should apply for a re-entry permit by filing Form I-131. application for travel document before leaving the country. For more information on international travel as a permanent resident, see our green card page. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this has been cleared. So previously, they issued 18 months extension letter, and after September 4, they will issue the 24 months extension letter because of the longer processing times for I-751. So if you have questions, guys, just comment down below, and see you next time.